So easy enough on the hamstrings. Best to do it in a seated position. That way the hamstring is nice and loose. You should be able to grab the meat of the hamstring and kind of jiggle it around. And similar to the calf, we've got two outside portions that we want to be working on, okay? So you can take your stick and work through that inner portion, okay? And take the stick and then work through that outer portion. And Augusto brought up a good point. If you feel something that's tender, you feel like a tender nodule, you can stop and oscillate over it, okay? If you want to experiment with kind of how far you have your leg out, you can do that as well. Just make sure you're not flexing your hamstring because you're not going to get in real deep if you flex your hamstring, okay? So that's with the stick. With the roller, same thing as the calf. You're just going to lay down and work on the outside of that hamstring. Turn your leg, work to the inside of the hamstring, okay? If you want a little bit more pressure, you can put your body weight into it and do the same thing. We want to stay away from the back of the knee. We want to stay away from the high hamstring tendon. So that little sit bone right there that you sit on the saddle with, right under there is where the hamstring attaches to your pelvis. We don't want to roll that out so much. That's a really common area where people get injured, and it can be real sensitive. So just don't roll that. Stay within the meat of the muscle.